Today is Jack's birthday. I prepare, I cook,
I bake cake.
chocolate cake. I make cake for Jack's birthday. For Jack's birthday, and ingredients is 1.5 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon instant coke. 1 cup hot water. Hot water, half cup evaporate milk, 1 3/4 cup cake flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup butter, 1 1/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, and vanilla. I put together and mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. I mix and mix. Oh, see? Did you hear Faye? She laughing.
Give us video.
She laughing. Oh, wait. This is rice cooker. Rice cooker cake.
We bake this in rice.
I bake cake and I cook in a rice cooker. Look what out and what.
Watch and learn.
Watch and learn. Face it. Watch and learn. Cooker. Good. Yeah, dito kotod sa may giapawan. Oh, tama na. Oh, enough. Oh. Okay. And then I put in the rice cooker there. Let's put there. And then put the pano. Oy, kunin mo. Oh, hindi yun, oh. Punutan mo. I put the cover and turn on rice cooker. Turn on. Okay. Right there.
Turn on.
Yeah, this is my this is my rice This is looks what? A rice cooker cake. This looks like then I have condensed milk. I put chocolate powder for topping. Oh, bonita ra gud. Diri ka pikas. Baka meron ako bubuk din. Kapika. Ayaw pa ikadool kayo. love. The English is okay. This is a rice cooker cake. Look, like baby cake. This is cake for Jack. Yeah. This time. Laughing. Mas kamu teh? Hah? Anak. Ila ng mga bata na teh. Hah? Ila ng mga anak. Marshmallow. Ano ganyan sana? Rainbow. Ispat kalupag po eh. Ha? Huwag makita eh. Lawal siya trapuhi ang kanina. Idoot pa siya. Balik. Biyahe mo ng kiko gud. Para tinasulog lang yung prito eh. Stop na. Stop. Stop. Apa itu? Chocolate malinis ha? No? Ano? Stop. This finish that is cute baby cake. Cute baby cake. With a rice cooker cake. She make a cake with a rice cooker. But burn.
You made a cake in the rice cooker.
Yes, burn.
Burn.
Out the window. No candle, honey. I put sperma. I work hard for your birthday, see? No, Myra, America, honey, like this. Like what I did now, honey.
I see, hon. I see your other stuff in the refrigerator too. You see.
My rice cooker burned.
Your rice cooker burned the cake, huh?
Burn my cake, honey. My rice cooker burned my cake.
Well, I never heard of a rice cooker being used like an oven before.
That's experiment.
Oh, it's an experiment.
Experiment because I don't have oven.
I thought you've been doing that before. It's an experiment.
Experiment. I don't have oven, honey. That's why.
Oh.
You know.
And what you doing over here?
A fried chicken.
Fried chicken?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, hi. Well, I think your cake looks pretty good. You'll know when you cut into it.
Looks good.
But I don't think that it's
Looks
burnt.
good.
I don't think it's burnt because you're going to have to be solid on the outside so it's not runny on the inside. That's a rice cooker, not an oven. Maybe we'll have to drink in the middle.
Before you eat that, honey, you drink more beer.
Well, look at that.
Blow, honey, blow.
Hey, happy birthday to me, Myra Costas. Come on over, take a look, hon. She's trying to light a candle for me to blow out, and the fan's blowing full steam on it.
You blow out,
Look at all these goodies. Chicken and pancetta and Myra's super duper special bamboo shoots. And what's that in the middle?
Huh?
What's that in the middle? That pork is over in the middle?
Pork stick.
It's what?
Pork stick. Pork stick.
Pork sticks.
Yeah.
Pork sticks.
Yeah.
All right. I was afraid she's going to put one on forever. I was afraid she'd put one on for every year and I'd have to wind up with a fire extinguisher.
1 year old.
There you go. I got luck for another year. Not that I haven't had enough already. I'm about a lucky dude. Hi, bouncing high. Thank you very much, hi.
See?
Look at that.
Your